In question 6, the problem statement says that if the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant as 5 units. So let me visually show you what this means. Let me help you understand what this means. So imagine that you have a body on which a force is being applied, and because of this force the body will move a certain distance. Suppose that it moves a distance of x units, right? And because of this movement and because of this force being applied, there is some work done by the force, and imagine that work done is y units. The work done is, let's write this as follows: work done is equal to y units and the distance traveled is x units. So what the problem is saying is that the work done y must be proportional to the distance moved, which is x. So y is proportional to x, or y will be equal to some constant of proportionality k into x. And we're also told that take this constant as 5 units. Hence we can write the relationship between y and x as y equal to 5x, where y is the work done and x is the distance moved. So this is the equation that we wanted to that we were asked to find, an equation in two variables relating the work done and the distance traveled, y equal to 5x. Now we have to draw the graph of this equation, and for that we need to find any two specific solutions of this equation. That's quite straightforward. Let's give any two specific values to x and find the corresponding values of y. So if we take x equal to 0 units, this will give us y equal to 5 into 0, or y will also be 0 units. And if we take x equal to 1, then y will be 5x, or y will be 5. So one solution is 0, 0 and another solution is 1, 5. Let's write these two solutions in the form of an xy table so that they are easy to read. Alright, so we draw two columns for the two solutions, and one solution we obtained was 0, 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, and another solution we obtained was 1, 5, x equal to 1 and y equal to 5. Now we will plot the graph of the equation y equal to 5x using these two solutions. So here's the graph that I'm going to use. The horizontal axis represents the distance x and the vertical axis represents the work done, which is y. Now the first solution was 0, 0, which is this point here, 0, 0, and the second solution was 1, 5, which is this point here, 1, 5. And now we draw the line through these 2 points, and this line will be like this. So this line is the graph of the equation y equal to 5x. So that completes the graph part. Now we were also told, read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 unit. So when the distance traveled is 2 units, then x is equal to 2, and let's find the corresponding point on the graph. So the corresponding point on the graph will be this point here, which is 2, 10. So for x equal to 2, y is equal to 10. So the work done will be equal to 10 units if the distance moved is 2 units. And that solves part 1. And in part 2, we have to find the work done if the distance moved is 0 units. So x is 0, which corresponds to this point here. And we see that for this point, the y coordinate is also 0, and hence the work done will be equal to 0 units if the distance moved is 0. So that completes part 2, and with this we have finished question number 6. To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.